Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this ONKYO tuner to show you. The model number is T-4130. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Do you know how many people every month tune in and listen to the radio in the US? 243 million people, which comes out to be more than half of the US. But let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel of the device, you have your antenna connection right here. And then you have your audio output, of course. And then to connect it, you'll plug in your audio cable to the output. And then you'll connect your power cord. And then when you connect the antenna, generally you'll have two cables. One of them is for FM and one of them is for AM. And then once you have it all wired up, you'll get a signal both AM and FM. Right here on the front panel you have your power button and then your mute/mode switch. You can set it to stereo or mono. And then over here you have all of your preset buttons. You can set up to 16 presets. And then right here is a shift button that allows you to switch between presets 1 through 8 and presets 9 through 16. And then you have your auto/manual option. If you set it to auto, it will automatically tune to channels for you. And then right here you have your tuning buttons, of course. You can change the station up or down. And then right here you have your FM and AM buttons. You can switch to FM if you want.
You'll join us in a moment as we open the scriptures together. Once again, Psalm.
That's pretty much all there is to know about this AM/FM ONKYO tuner. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.